Hello everyone. So in this video, let's see about the third non-thermal processing, that is a pulsed electric field. So about pulsed electric field, this is also like one of the non-thermal food processing technology, where here in PEF we use very short high voltage electric pulses to treat the foods. So this will, what happens is, here since it is being exposed as electric pulses, it causes electroporation. That is, it will help to form pores in the membranes of the cells, and which helps to inactivate the microorganisms with less heat generation, as well as it will help to preserve the fresh quality, nutrients, flavor and the color of the particular food material. So ultimately this is also, it helps to increase the shelf life of the food product. So in the picture you can see the pulsed electric field equipment, where the main body, the cylinder, the rectangular panel and the base where the food can be placed to expose the pulsed electric field. So this is the complete PEF system and the process parameter. So in the picture you can see what are all the system components, such as high voltage generator, treatment chamber will be there, and pump will be there to pass the electric pulses, and there will be a control unit to control the pulse speed and the ranges. And the process parameters are nothing but, we are going to deal with the electric field strength, pulse width, frequency and the treatment time. So the first of all, it consists of the power supply, pulse generator, electrodes and the treatment chamber that will help to flow the food through the chamber in a continuous or semi-continuous system. So the high voltage pulses are applied between, where the two electrodes are placed. In between them the food will be placed and high voltage pulses are being passed. The main key parameter to detect the electric pulse is the electric field strength. Other parameters are duration of the pulse and the number of pulses and the temperature at which the pulse is being passed. And the process efficiency mainly depends on the conductivity of the particular food. Next, mechanism of action. So how the particular food actually gets treated by the help of the pulses. So from the picture we can understand, these high voltage pulses will first cause the electroporation in the cell membranes that are present inside the food material. Then these membranes will be like reversible or irreversible pores will be formed in the cells. Sometimes leakage of intracellular contents will lead to the death of the cell. So effective mainly against the vegetative microorganisms only, but in plant cells permeability improves the extraction yield of the particular food, and it causes a partial enzyme inactivation without applying high heat. So minimal thermal damage only occurs due to the short treatment time. So where this can be applied, so this application is being used in many different types of food processing industry. The first one in fruit, juice and beverages, for in cold pasteurization technique, milk, liquid eggs and soups, in order to extend the shelf life of the particular food. In potato processing, more easy to cut and to reduce the absorption of oil. For meat and fish, why it is used is to improve the tenderness. And fruits and vegetables, it enhanced drying and dehydration process. Extraction process, it will improve the release of pigments and bioactives, and also used as a pre-treatment before any further processing of the food materials. So coming to the advantages and limitations of the PEF. So this is the few advantages, that is, first thing is, it is a non-thermal process and preserve the quality and the freshness of the food. Obviously it helps to reduce the microbial load and extend the shelf life, and it is more energy efficient. Few limitations is nothing but the initial investment cost is high, and this PEF technology is limited only for certain products, and it also requires like specific equipment, because this PEF cannot be carried out at any cost at any such equipment. This will require a installation of the specific PEF equipment, and sometimes there will be a nutrient loss if the pulse frequency or the pulse range is not being maintained. So these are the few advantages and the limitations. This is the overall concept map of the PEF, like how, based on the enhancement of the quality, food safety, sustainability and applications only, this PEF is met out in dairy industry, juice industry, vegetable, meat industry.